clear tu te chibai le vekule tunlai chu Mizoram sorkar waya Hnaruak atam hle a video masalama khan MPSC waya department hrang na som panga lakna kanon bi chiang towa tin home guard post som kwale pali Mizoram sorkar ina lak thar tur chungchang kanon soi to bokani tunchuma ve thung chuan Mizorama EMRS school hrang waya teaching le non teaching post Hnaruak dil theite kan en ho lenga Mizoram PWD waya Hnaruak tharlam le school education SCERT waya Hnaruak awmte kan en ho tel le don bokani ahma saberin Mizoram district hranga EMRS school teaching staff le non teaching staff Hnaruakte enila EMRS zol nuamamit teaching staff TGT trained graduate teacher English Hindi science maths social science Mizowa post pakhat theu arwaka hlohi singthum le sangthum ani donani NESTS recruitment rule ina soi ang qualification nei lo ho kha cheng sing ni le sang kwa an hlo donani non teaching staff big enila female staff nurse post pakhat sing ni sang kwa le zahnian hlonga mess helper post pahni singkhat le sanga gardener post pakhat singkhat sanga sweeper singkhat sanga post pakhat arwaka chokidar post pakhat arwaka singkhat le sanga a hlo donani technical staff electrician cum plumber post pakhat cheng sing ni hlonga kan soeng khanin NESTS ina qualification soyang an nei lo chuanin singkhat le sanga an hlo donani nalak dan tura hian written test interview le skill test atul chuan omdona dil na form dil dan tu le qualification ngai te kan chiang du ni chuanin in charge principal contact number 8787795283 a le 8415852745 a te zo chian thei ani dil na thelu theihun chung last date chu May ni som le paruk thleng ani yang panina chuanin EMRS Lawngtlai en leila guest trained graduate teacher Hindi English Mizo science social science maths PET mipa bika post pakhat theu arwaka hlohi guest trained graduate teacher ho khan in singthum le sangthum man hlonga qualification nei nga yang chi nei che lo tan khan singni le sang kwa ani donani PET male big khan in singni sang kwa an la don bokani deal theite le qualification ngai te hi advertisement lama khan chiang zokin kan lo en mai don nia advertisement PDF download link chu video description a khan kan lo en don nia application form hi EMRS Lawngtlai website emrslawngtlai.mizoram.gov.in download thei ania tin DC office Lawngtlai a form hi lak chu thei ani don bokani form submit amun tu chu EMRS office Lawngtlai ani don ani last date hi June nili ani yang nalak dan tura hian interview om don ani interview mga lak turani a June ni kwa last date ani don ani June ni kwa a dar som le pakhata interview om dona principal room EMRS Lawngtlai khan interview nei ani don ani pathumna chuanin EMRS si ha teaching le non teaching post Hnaruak en leila teaching staff bika TGT Hindi post pahni Mizo post pakhat English pakhat social science pakhat science pakhat maths pakhat PET post pahni mipale meichia ani donani hlohi TGT ho khan in singthum le sangthum man hlonga qualification nei lo ho kha singni le sang kwa anianga PET khan in singni le sang kwa an hlodon bokani non teaching staff big en leila JSA junior secretary assistant post pakhat mess helper pakhat gardener pakhat sweeper pakhat electrician cum plumber pakhat anianga hlohi JSA electrician cum plumber khan sing nian hlonga mess helper gardener sweeper kan ti te khan sing kha sanga an hlodonani application form hi EMRS school website EMRS Noaohtlah.mizoram.gov.in atangin download turani a tin DC office si ha atangin lak chua thei ani don bokani EMRS Noaohtlah si ha district a polak chua thei ani donani form submit amun tu chu DC office DTO office building le EMRS Noaohtlah si ha district a te submit tur ani donani last day chu main som le panga ani yang personal interview mga lak turani a interview hun le hun tu chu hriat tir le kani donani palina EMRS Bilkhawthlir teaching le non teaching Hnaruak en leila TGT maths English science Hindi Mizo SS post pakhat thewrwaka female staff nurse pakhat physical education teacher PET post pahni mipale meichia pakhat veve chokidar pakhat electrician kam plumber pakhat mess helper pakhat sweeper pathum gardener pakhat ani don ani video masalama khan EMRS Bilkhawthlir chungchang hi kan lo soi towa chu wang chuan tun tuma chuan a detailin kan soi to lo mayanga last day chu main somle pathum ani don ani pangana EMRS Ngopa teaching le non teaching post hnaruakte en le ila teaching staff TGT English post pakhat sing thum le sang thum man hlonga without qualification sing ni sang kwa ani don ani Hindi post pakhat sing thum le sanga non teaching staff B ka khan class 10 pass hotan ani dona gardener post pakhat sing khat le sanga an hlonga sweeper post pahni sing khat le sanga mess helper post pakhat sing khat sanga housekeeping staff post panga sing khat le sanga junior secretariat assistant JSA post pakhat sing ni an hlonga electrician cum plumber post pakhat sing ni an hlo don ani application form hi EMRS school office Ngopa lak chhuat the ni a tin school website EMRS ngopa.mizoram.gov.in atangin form download thei ani don bokani form download link chu video description a hian kada ani kan lo check out don nia dilna form hi EMRS office Ngopa thelu turani a last day chu June som ani yang nalak dan tura hian interview mangalak turani a June som le paruka principal room EMRS Ngopa interview nei ani don ani Public Works Department PWD Hnaruak thar en le ila electrician grade 2 post panga PE provisional employee ani dona section assistant SA post pathum lower division clerk LDC post pathum group D post panga ani dona ni hlo hi electrician grade 2 a hian sing kha sang kwa sarile cheng som ani dona chu pay level 550% ani dona ni a nge huna chuanin full salary an la thei dona ni section assistant SA sing kha sang ruk zakwale somni ani dona chu pay level 450% ani dona ni LDC sing kha sang ruk zakwale somni ani anga group D pay level 150% chu sing kha sang kha zakwa an hlo phot dona ni thiam na ngai te electrician grade 2 class 10 pass 2 years ITI electrician course zir ani turani a tin Mizo language proficiency nei angaya CCC DCA computer thiam nei angai bokani section assistant SA deal tur chuanin class 10 pass 3 years diploma course in civil engineering tin Mizo language proficiency nei angaya tin computer certificate DCA mo CCC kan tiang chi khanei angai bokani lower division clerk LDC class 12 pass in tana deal thenga computer certificate DCA mo CCA nei angaya typing speed 30 watts per minute hiam angaya Mizo language proficiency triple CMO DCA mo khanei angai donani group D class 8 pass chintana dil thenga Mizo Trong middle school standard chin thiam angai bokani dil dan tura hian PWD website www.pwdmizoram.gov.in atangin application form download theni a engineering chief office PWD tuikhuatlang establishment branch atangin form lak chhuat thei ani don bokani hemi huna vek hian form hi thelu tur ani last day chu June somle pakua ani yang application fee hi STSC tan zale somnga ani anga general tan chon cheng zahni ani don ani hemi application fee hi form kan submit rualin thelu tur ani nalak dan tur group D interview mangalak tur ani a post dang zong hi written le interview mangalak tur ani a LDCB ka hian typing test skill test kha omtel don ani typing test a written exam nei na hun le mun tu te chu website lama anon ta lang le don ani school education department directorate of SCERT Hnaruak en le ila driver PE post pakhat arwaka lo hi pay level 2 50% chu sing kha sang thum le zanga somni ani don ani class 8 pass driving license valid ala nunglai nge LMV NT non-transport emo medium or heavy motor vehicles khatiang license khani angai ani Mizo Trong middle school standard chintal thiam angai bokani dilna form hi department website scert.mizoram.gov.in download thayani a download link chu video description a kada ani tin SCERT office chaltanga athonin form lak thei ani don bokani form submit hun last day chu June ninga anianga application fee STSC tan zale somnga in general tan cheng zani choi angai don ani exam inbuatsaihna tu study materials question hlui le solve kan mamoni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in khan kan lo entry don nia